Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how I profit using Paxful and Binance and Payoneer account. So I'm going to show you step by step in the video. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can understand the way I make this trade. So I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create Payoneer account. So that's the account you are going to receive. You are going to sell your BTC into in this video. So you'll find the link in the video description. If you use the link, then you will receive $25 welcome bonus. Me too, I will receive $25, so it's win-win for both of us. So once you use the link, you will receive the welcome bonus, $25. So let's get back to the video. So first thing you need to do is open your Paxful account. Once you do that, come to the marketplace button here at the down side of this app. Then in this step, I want to use 500,000 for an example for this step. So first thing you need to do is buy Bitcoin. So we need to buy Bitcoin here. We buy Bitcoin, then press the country you want to select, the location. I'm going to select Nigeria since I'm buying with Naira. I'm going to select payment mode. The mode I want, the payment, how I want to make the payment. I'm going to select bank transfer. After selecting this bank transfer, I'm going to put 500,000 to. So it's going to give us the people that want to sell their Bitcoin in this kind of price range. So you see, you need to be very careful to choose someone that is online and someone that's made a lot of trade. At least 50 trade is okay for you to trade with. I think that's what I think as for my own recommendation. Then I think the more I go down, the more there is bad rate for me to buy from. So I'm going to click this first guy here. He is online and he has already 8,000 trade, then 21 negative review. I'm going to press the guy. After pressing this, then I will pay 500,000. Then I will receive 0. I'm going to write this down because I'm going to need this Bitcoin, but 0.3432766 worth of Bitcoin. That's what I'm going to receive. Make sure you stick for this at the end of the video so you can understand the step by step. If you don't understand this step, you can still watch the video from the beginning. So note, we pay 500,000, then we are getting worth of Bitcoin 48,000. See, 87,657.0 cents. So that's the amount, the worth of BTC we are receiving. Then we are paying 500 for this trade, 500,000. So once you make this payment, then you need to go back home. You need to sell this BTC into your account. I'm going to go with this button. I'm going to press sell crypto. If you remember, we have 0.034 worth of Bitcoin, which is close to 500,000, which is 487,657 naira worth of Bitcoin. I'm going to choose payment mode. I want to sell the Bitcoin to. The payment mode is PAUO. This is the payment mode I want to use to receive the money. I'm going to set dollar account because the account is dollar. Then I'm going to set 1 million for us to find people that want to sell. For us to find people that want to sell Bitcoin around this kind of range. No, it's too much. Let me use $1,000. I think this should give us. Now, these are people that want to sell, that want to buy Bitcoin. You see, these people are willing to buy this BTC 12.23% over the price of the BTC on this trade. I think it is good. It's too good to be true. So I'm going to scroll down to find another people. Remember, anybody who want to trade will need to be online, and the person need to make at least 50 trade or over 50 trade. So at least you can trust that person in that way. At least there is intermediary. If there is any problem, you can find an appeal on the transaction. So let's get back to the video. I'm going to go with this guy. He has 497 trade, then 2 bad free back. He has 447 good review, then 2 bad free back. So I'm going to go with this guy. Sell. Remember, we bought 500,000 worth of Bitcoin. Then we received 0.033432766 worth of Bitcoin. So I'm going to press this 0.0343266. Remember, make sure you are put it in. You understand this video. You can still rewind back to forward the video back or rewatch the video for you to be able to understand it step by step if you don't understand at this moment. So we are going to receive, if you say the actual BTC we bought at 500,000 and you want to sell it to this guy at the rates of 11 point something over. Now this is the account you are going to receive this sum of $745.57. You just need to open this account. I'm going to leave the link in the video description so for you be able to create the account. Then if you are getting value in this video, please subscribe to the channel. So you just need to press to receive account. Then if you press it, it's going to give you the information. So I don't want to expose this information, so I'm going to go back. Since we are not receiving any money into this account, I'm just using the demo account. So that's how this is the account you need to open for you to be able to buy to sell the BTC into this account. After selling the BTC, then you will receive 745.57 cents. Then you need to go back into this Paxful account. Then you will go back once we set this amount, then you will go back again. Once you go back again, you press buy. We are going to buy again. Then you want to buy USDT. The reason we are buying USDT is we are going to use the dollar we have in our account to buy USDT. So after buying the USDT, we are going to send it over to Binance account. So let me show you how to do that. First thing you need to do is payment mode. Then it's already Payoneer account. That's the account I told you to open. I just show you. Then you want to sell. Let me leave it at 1,000. So I'm going to select how much I want to sell. I want to buy with. So after pressing this, I think I want to buy the dollar from this first guy is online. That's how you are going to evaluate people you want to trade with. Then press this guy, the first one. We are buying $745 dollar, then 57 cents. Take note, we will receive $727.41. After making this trade, you need to use the other account, the bank account, to make this payment. Then you are going to buy this account. After doing this process, then you need to go back again. Then come to this wallet section. Then you need to use send. You need to send your Ethereum over to your tether to Binance exchange. That's when Binance get in now. We need to minimize, then go back to Binance P2P. Binance wallet. For you to be able to receive the money, you need to press USDT, then press USDT deposit now. You need to choose the network. They use Tron or Ethereum network. That is the both network they use. TRC20 and Ethereum ERC20. That is the both network they use. I would recommend you to use the TRC20 to receive this transaction, because the transaction fee is very cheap. So you need to go with this. Then copy the address, copy the wallet address, copy. Then go back to the account. Then press here, paste. After pressing, you need to enter the amount, like 727.07. After sending this money over to Bitcoin and to Binance, then you need to transfer the money from. You will need to use this function, transfer spot to funding. Then you select the BUSDT. You're going to find the actual money, like let's say 7 point something 41. Then you set confirm. if you have money, you will be able to find this money on this section funding. It will show up here. So let's find out. We want to sell this USDT we have left with us, 727.40 cents BTC USDT we have with us. You go option with sell button. Then there is this rate. The best rate here is 738 naira 0.57 cent. If you times 727 dollar USDT 40 cents. Let me use calculator how much we are getting in our bank account if we go through with this first guy over here. Calculator. I would say 727 dollar 41 cent times the rate 738.47 naira. Let's check how much we are receiving. We are receiving 243 naira 220 cents. So remember, let me go back to Binance account. No, Paxful account. Remember, we start with 500,000. Now we said the $727.40 into 243 dollar and naira. So as you can see, we gain 37,000. If we minus the charge fee, the network fee, the transaction, everything, let's say we use 7,000 to make this trade. Like we paid 7,000. Now we are left with 30,000. Imagine you can do this 3 times a day or 10 times if there is still the same opportunity, because it's not every time you can find this kind of opportunity. If you can do this 10 times a day or 5 times a day, 5 times 30,000, you will be making a 150,000 profit a day. If you just do this 5 times, you have chance to do this 5 times. That's how much you will be getting. If you get value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I upload another video, you won't miss any video on my channel. I'm going to be giving you valuable video on my channel. So thank you guys for your time. Make sure you like the video